The 9 a.m. observations for the western Piedmont. At Albemarle, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 78 degrees, the dew point 72, and the relative humidity 82%. The wind was south at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.85 inches and steady. Elsewhere across the state this hour, at Asheville, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 74. At Charlotte, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 78. At the Piedmont Triad Airport, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 76. In Raleigh, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 77. At Fayetteville, it was sunny, 78. At Wilmington, it was sunny, with a temperature of 81. The Greensboro, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, July 27, 2026. Yesterday's high temperature was 87 degrees. This high was 1 degree below the normal high of 88. The record high is 104 degrees, which was set in 1914. Yesterday's low temperature was 69 degrees. This low was 1 degree below the normal low of 70. The record low is 53 degrees, which was set in 1962. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 4.94 inches. This is 1.38 inches above the normal amount of 3.56 inches for July. The total precipitation for the year still stands at 18.25 inches, which is 6.59 inches below normal. The normal high temperature for today is 88 degrees, and the normal low is 69. The record high for today is 100, which occurred in 1952, and the record low is 54, which occurred in 1920. Sunrise today is at 6:24 a.m. and sunset is at 8:28 p.m. The low temperature this morning was 71 degrees. There was no precipitation since midnight. The current time is 9:27 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for central North Carolina. For today and tonight, there is a slight level 2 of 5 risk of severe weather, primarily this afternoon and evening. The greatest threat will come from damaging straight-line winds, although a brief tornado or two is also possible in addition to large hail. And now the extended outlook for the period Wednesday through Monday. Hazardous weather is not expected at this time. Spotter information statement: spotter activation will likely be needed. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards station WWF60, operating on frequency 162.50 MHz. This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh, and is transmitted from an antenna located on Buck Mountain. The station serves the southern Piedmont of North Carolina. Here is the latest weather synopsis. A cold front is forecast to move to the Carolinas late this evening into Wednesday morning as a strong area of low pressure deepens over the northern mid-Atlantic. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Albemarle and vicinity.